Ayan guys, almusal po tayo ngayong araw na to. Ayan guys, ang ating almusal for today's. Ayan. Plain rice. Ayan, coffee. Ayan po ang ating ulam. Ayan, itlog na prito. Ayan, ham. Hotdog at tuyo. Ayan. Tuyong alubaybay. Ayan, islang alubaybay. Ang ating sausawan ay suka with bawang. And guys, let's eat. Yan guys, ang ating almusal for today's. And guys, coffee. Yan, ulam, breakfast natin. Yan, ulam for my breakfast: hotdog, egg, ham, and fried fish. Plain rice with ketchup. And guys, yan po ang aking almusal sa umaga. Happy breakfast everyone.